Hi there, I'm Sherry Keller, Senior Worldwide Client Development Manager for Microchip. Welcome to our microchipDIRECT how-to tutorial. In this short video, you will learn how to search for a part, navigate through our products, and complete an order fast and easy. microchipDIRECT is a direct sales channel which offers the largest inventory of microchip products and trusted partners. It is the easiest way to source parts 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Searching a product is easy. You may enter the part number or keywords into the search box, and our website will automatically list all available products related to that searched item. Alternatively, you may browse through all our parts by selecting specific product categories under the Products tab. If you're ready to place an order, simply enter the quantity of your desired product and add the item to your shopping cart. Our website also offers a fast order entry feature where you can add multiple products, designate a customer part number, and enter the quantities before adding them to the cart. This is a brilliant time saver and ideal for ordering multiple items. Another feature similar to the fast order entry is the Import BOM. You can download a predetermined CSV template where you can enter your order information before submitting it online. Your shopping cart will list all the parts that you've added, the value of each item, and their estimated delivery dates. You may choose to reschedule the delivery, delete an item, or continue adding more parts. Click Checkout to proceed. The next step is to provide your preferred shipping address. By default, the shipping address will be similar to the address when you initially signed up. If you wish to have your order delivered to a different address, simply click the Enter New Address button and proceed. On the final checkout page, it will show you the order summary, ship to address, invoice, or billing address, and the products that you are about to order. We offer various payment methods such as credit card, PayPal, and Net30 for business account customers. And finally, to complete the order, simply agree on our terms and conditions of sale and place your order. You will receive an automated email acknowledgement from Microchip immediately after submitting the order. That wraps up our tutorial on how to search for a part, navigate through our products, and complete an order. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.